Firstly, a warm welcome, Rani ma'am, to INS. Thank you for doing this with us. Also, ma'am, it's very rare to actually have a room full of feminine energy, strong feminine energy. What do you have to say about that?
I'm feeling so good, and I can feel the vibe with all the real Mardani sitting here. I feel really good.
But ma'am, for the third time you're donning the uniform. Shivani Shivaji Roy is coming back. We are very excited to see you. What was it like to wear the uniform once again, the third time?
I think it's a huge privilege and a huge honor for me to be playing one of them, a woman in uniform, because their life struggles, their stories, their challenges that they face in their day to day life, and the kind of crimes that they kind of solve, I think they're extraordinary. So through Shivani Shivaji Roy's character, I'm able to portray that and show it to the world that what Indian female officers are doing day in and day out. So, and I salute all of you all. Thank you so much.
Also, ma'am, with the OG Bollywood Mardani, we've got the real Mardanis too.
Absolutely, all the Mardanis today. I'm feeling so happy.
Also, ma'am, what's very interesting about Mardani and the films you have done? I mean, especially Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. There's a common thread. It's about a mother being a parent. I mean, you must be choosing scripts. Do you choose scripts like that? Because if we talk about Shivani Shivaji Roy, she has anger, but it's not just driven because of duty, but it's somewhere because she's also a mother. And then there was, like in Mrs. Chatterjee, your anger was deeply personal. So somewhere, like when you choose scripts, does it come from a personal thought or something like that?
For me, I think जब से मैंने मतलब इस इंडस्ट्री में मैंने काम किया है, मेरी हमेशा से कोशिश यही रही है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान की वो सारी जो महिला है, जो रियल हमारी जो हीरोज़ है, रियल मर्दानीज़ हैं, वो जर्नलिस्ट ही क्यों ना हो, वो पुलिस अफसर ही क्यों ना हो, वो टीचर ही क्यों ना हो, या एक हाउसवाइफ ही क्यों ना हो, उनको मुझे पूरे मतलब टू द होल ग्लोबल ऑडियंस मुझे दिखाना है कि हमारी हिंदुस्तान की महिला कितनी स्पेशल है, वो कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कितनी सशक्त है, और जब हमारी हिंदुस्तान की महिला सशक्त होगी तभी हमारा भारत देश सशक्त हो पाएगा. इसलिए मेरी जो चॉइसेस हमेशा रही है, आई वांट टू ऑलवेज शो इंडियन women in the best light. I want to show how special Indian women are, because all of them have a superpower, within them. Whether they are a housewife, whether they are a teacher, whether they are a journalist, whether they are a police officer, I think they all do their duty so beautifully. They balance their family life so beautifully. And I think that's the best part about women in uniform, in power, women who are going about their daily life with the superpower in them that they are powering on, in spite of all the challenges that are thrown at them. So I think for me, it's very important as an Indian girl, as an Indian woman, I want to show what the real Mardanis are like, what the real heroes are like. Because I, as a person, I'm very inspired by all of them. I'm inspired by all these characters who I've played. Even Devika, she fights her entire nation to bring her children back. So I think these are powerful women, these are strong women, and they inspire generations. They inspire the coming generations. Like these police officers, they are inspiring more women officers to come into the field, into the work of service. So I think these are women who lead by example, and we are the ones who look at them, we salute them, we get inspired by them. And as an artist, what I do is I just bring them to life so that millions of people across the globe see what they do.
Does it somewhere like angers you also at times, because years by years go by and women and children are yet like they still suffer, and we have to make movies to actually educate people to
I would like to say that of course there is a struggle every day in everybody's life. Every country is going through this problem of women's safety, child safety. But what is important is what are we doing to improve that? Today a Nirbhaya squad or a Damini squad, all the squads, all the helplines that have been introduced for the safety of women and children, those are positive steps towards ensuring that every girl, every child gets the help. So I think we have to look at that, and we have to hope for a better future, hope for a better India.
Okay, ma'am. Before we wrap, I have just one last question. जी, अगर हमें as women want to be a Mardani like you, like what is the perfect recipe to be a Mardani like you?
जज्बा होना चाहिए बस. आई थिंक ये जो उन्होंने कहा ना कि ये जो यहाँ पे होश और जोश, एब्सोल्यूट इधर, एब्सोल्युटली इधर, एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक मर्दानी बनने के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. और मैं हमेशा सबको बोलती हूँ कि हम जो नारियाँ हैं, हम शक्ति का वो रूप है. हम जब भी कोई हमसे प्यार करेगा, हम गौरी माँ और हम पार्वती का रूप दिखाते हैं. बट अगर कोई हमें छेड़ेगा तो हम माँ चंडी और दुर्गा का रूप दिखाएंगे, है ना?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for doing this for us.
थैंक यू.